This is Mohammed Aziz, the oldest bookseller in the beautiful city of Rabat, Morocco. An orphan who dedicated his entire life to selling used books to people who can't afford new ones. My name's Vincent Fan. I'm the founder of 1000 Libraries, and I'm writing a book about him and 24 other protectors of the written word. This book is dedicated to all book lovers who believe books should be protected at all costs during the digital age. It is a collection of stories about extraordinary people who have dedicated their entire lives to sharing the joys of reading. I've spent the past 6 months traveling the world, spending hundreds of hours with these passionate book lovers who believe it is now more important than ever to keep the magic of books alive. Protectors of the Written Word promises to be a gorgeous tribute to these inspiring people whose stories revive a belief that humanity is capable of good. A much needed reminder in our current times. I'm so pleased to announce that my Kickstarter campaign finally launches next week, and I can't wait to take you all on this journey with me.